That nor'easter's high winds did help spread a fire that unfortunately destroyed part of a townhouse complex in Centerport, Suffolk County. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but as CBS 2's Tony Aiello reports, some families lost everything.
Come back over this way.
In the hours before dawn, 100 firefighters from several towns struggled to contain the wind-driven flames that engulfed this condo complex in Centerport.
Apparently it was already started in the walls or in the basement that we did not see at first, and then with this wind, once it broke loose, it just took off.
All residents escaped, and in the light of day, they could see the extensive damage. The roof caved in on 5 of the units at the Bull Calf Landing townhouse complex. Investigators believe the fire started in Carol Todaro's condo.
The house started to fill up with smoke, so we just immediately evacuated and went to all the neighbors.
Todaro wonders if the blaze began in her fireplace chimney. She says she recently had it checked.
Since October, we've had all the chimney people and things like we've had work done.
Firefighters say that's what anyone with a fireplace should do.
You know, keeping it clean is the thing. Creosote can cause a problem.
Firefighters were able to keep the flames from spreading to 7 nearby condo units. Utility workers spent the day restoring power to those. Jordan Ferguson's condo was saved, but he broke into tears thinking about his neighbor's precious family items now buried under rubble.
Just lose just everything. You know, it's just, you're not getting it back. It's not replaceable.
Fortunately, all the displaced residents have home replacement insurance, and that will also pay for temporary housing. The fire marshal will decide if the condo structure will have to be completely torn down. Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.